Hello, awesome viewers, and welcome back to part 2 of our video series. Remember, this is still about the ways you can help a friend who is struggling with substance use addiction. Initiating a conversation with a friend or loved one regarding their substance use issue is often the most crucial and challenging step in tackling the problem. People often feel worried about discussing such matters with someone struggling with drug addiction. There's a common fear that these individuals might react unpredictably or create a scene. But here's the twist. You might find the conversation to be surprisingly productive. It's possible the person hasn't noticed the behavioral changes or the problems their substance use is causing. So go ahead, have that conversation. It could be an eye-opener. And if the conversation doesn't turn out as you expected, give it some time and consider involving another person who could help you approach the individual. Sometimes it takes a lot to convince such individuals and make them see the errors of their ways. Convincing them to acknowledge the problem can sometimes take patience and support from multiple angles. Here are some guidelines to help you have a productive conversation. Number 1, don't bring up the subject when the person is under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Number 2, establish a time to talk when you can have a two-way conversation without interruptions. Number 3, tell your family member or friend that you care for them and emphasize your concern for their well-being. Number 4, list the behaviors you've observed diplomatically. Express concern about the effect of substance use and create a two-way dialogue. Number 5, don't expect an immediate change in behavior. This may be the first time they've thought about the problem. If the person is willing to consider the problem, suggest an evaluation with a medical or mental health professional. This step can be a crucial turning point on their path to recovery. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our video series. Remember, this step is a crucial one in the journey to help a friend in need of help. In part 3, we'll discuss about ways you can encourage treatment. Stay tuned to our channel for the next episode.